Alright, welcome. Hella different lighting, setup, time is 5:30. And this is my trading recap for today, right? Gonna keep it simple. It's late. I'm not trying to talk too much. Shitty ass day. While seeing this instant dump off market open, like I was leaning hella bearish. I honestly, I was looking for shorts here, and especially after we took these London highs, we had a displacement down. This is what I was looking at. This 5-minute, bro. This 5-minute was the shit right here. Unfortunate close. Look at this guy on the fucking. You see him on the sink? Look at him. Oh no, he's traveling to the food. Hold on.
I'm not doing good, but I'm still at the top. And since that message, you didn't go to single.
Okay, boom. We're back. So, essentially, this is what I was waiting for. This was the setup of the day. Maybe I should have waited. Maybe I should take it on the 1 minute. Nah. Honestly, I'm not going to change any strats, nothing. Neither ES or NQ closed it and then just fucking dumped. So this is what I was watching, 490 for the longest. And then after 490, it was 425. Just another internal high. But honestly, I didn't expect much rejection off of 490. I thought we were going to keep going down to 239. But honestly, it was a nice... Yo, this guy smells ground beef in the tissue. Alright, so... It was a good rejection, right? Like, when you come here, I honestly went long. And I took an L. Right here. So, after we see this reaction, we see a wick up. Like, look, ES barely wicks it. Like, I was leaning so bullish. We have this IFEG. Right. Honestly, I was thinking about longing this, but look. Longing the first IFEG after a dump like this is OD. So, I needed some type of confirmation. I actually longed the top right here. Why? Well, because this BPR reaction, or this inverse reaction, right? We tap in, fill a full thing, pop up, right? I was honestly going to get an entry like up here at first, but I didn't want to rush it. Again, I wanted more confirmation, so I entered right here, stop below the low, and look what actually happened. With the stop below the low, we got here. You might be thinking, whoa, should you have maybe one break even or something? After this move down, the top of this is a 15-minute right here. This is a 15-minute gap that got printed. I cut my trade early down here. After seeing this BPR or this get inversed or like flipped, invalidated, I was not fucking with it. Especially after seeing all this, like, you know, I was already a little iffy. I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm cutting my trade after this impulse move down. Literally bottom ticked that bullshit, and we ran up. Here's the thing: I wouldn't have taken any TPs up here. Maybe break even, but unfortunately this was an L, and honestly, like, there's not much I can do about that at the end of the day. Like, this shit, you know, bad delivery, right? Look, we ended up running. We did end up running. We got our targets, but it was just bad delivery, and I can't fault myself for doing that. Stayed controlled on a losing day. Took my L. I dipped. That's it. Gotta keep doing that every single day. But the account is more, like, way deeper in the drawdown. I think we're sitting at around 850, 900. Does it hurt the mental? Not yet. I'm not gonna lie. I'm still taking my trades, still doing everything normal. It is still in the back of my mind, just lurking, like, just constantly, like, I'm getting reminded, you know, like, oh shit, like, you're still down. But at the end of the day, it doesn't fucking matter. Gonna keep it transparent. I blew my Lucid on Friday. Unfortunately, it was fucking around. But I have a new one. Not Lucid. Back to MFFU. And yeah, gonna start trading on that shit. And hopefully everything goes well. Gonna take it slow. Gonna take both accounts slow. And run this bitch up. Peace.